Now, here we have the Nubia Neo 2 5G, a device focused on gamers but do not want to spend a lot of money as it will cost $199 as published. It's quite an attractive device on the back cover with lots of very vivid colors. On the front, it looks a little bit simpler because we are talking about, as I tell you, a mid-range device. The display is with full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of 120 Hz focused on gamers. The battery seems to have two versions, one with 6,000 milliamps and another with 5,200 supporting 33 watts load, but the highlight here is that it has triggers on the sides, so you're going to be able to map them to be able to game like you do with Red Magic devices. So it's impressive to have those features in a device at this price point. Your processor is the Unisoc T820, which obviously doesn't sound very powerful, but we've never tested a Unisoc 800 series processor, so I would expect it to perform considerably well. Another thing to note is that it has 8 GB of physical RAM and offers another 12 GB virtual with 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. It also offers stereo sound, so I think it has very good features appealing to gamers. The only thing that will possibly make you hesitate will be the processor, but you have to give it the benefit of the doubt. Hopefully we will be able to test it soon.